Hi, good morning. Yeah, the season is started. The mutter, oh my god, so sweet and so nice. This one, and today we are making mutter and gobi. Especially, I want to tell you when season started. No, that time you just peel it and see. Yeah, the mutter how it will be. No, so nice and very sweet. I will eat like my husband. Totally, I'm telling. I won't peel when he's there. Totally, will eat off. That's it. So tasty actually, if season is not there, no, that time if you see the mutter will be like this only. So always when you're buying, you have to keep it in your mind, how is the mutter and all. But anyhow, I always tell ya, seasonal only it's nice to have. The because of that only today I'm making the this mutter. Okay, come. See, my kadai is hot now, ready for cook, medium flame, and oil. Yeah, today I'm using the peanut oil. Okay, now we are adding the see onions. Actually, little bit more only I'm adding, not this much. Actually, it's okay, fine. Already I kept it to cut and kept it the onions. Yeah, close the lid. And meanwhile, we are doing making the medium flame. Then grate the cauliflower. Cauliflower, I told you, this is the seasonal. See how white and nice. But anyhow, always when you are using the cauliflower, I always keep it in the water. So that's all. Just drain it and this is only one new, not new, yeah. This is old. We used to make this whenever season is there, mutter and cauliflower. This cauliflower always everybody use it like that only. This little bit twist and little bit of tip I want to tell you. Just grate the cauliflower. Careful when your people are doing this. Is very sharp mind. I am also very scared to do. Very important. This is. See how nice it will come. Yes. Yeah. Now we'll see my what is happening my onion. Yes. I'm adding this turmeric powder, haldi powder. Why, before I won't use because that smell will come. When you're using with the this thing, little bit only because that color we don't want yellowish color. So then again, ginger garlic paste. I told you, I forgot the spoon. Every time some mistakes. Yes, now we are adding the ginger garlic paste a little only, don't make it so much. So again mix it well. This is a raw mutter only I'm adding in this because every time everybody will boil, I don't want to do that. So much of nutrition will go off. So I'm adding like this only. Let's mutter cooked well. Don't use now the salt. That is only not salt any masalas. Otherwise, the mutter won't cook. So that is only one tip you have to be remember that one. If you are putting the salt, it won't cook properly. It will cook. I'm not saying that it won't cook, but it will cook. But not much like how tender, when you are eating like Oh, like that you can enjoy. It won't happen when you're putting the salt. All my special experience only. Every time I'll cook and I'll try this one, then I'll cut off and again I will write like that only I will do. So that is the thing, and close the lid properly. If you want crunchy, you can add before. That crunchiness will be there, but I don't like that one. So when you're making this sabji, always, tender and very soft. That only nice. So medium flame and close. Yeah. See, no, how tender and you can have look. Now forgot to tomato to cut actually. Last minute only I remember to cut the tomato. Yes. One, this is a country, that is a Bangalore. The country one will be no too juicy. And hari mirchi also I will add it. Yeah. Actually I forgot to cut and kept it that one. Now only I am adding the salt because the moisture will come. Yes. Again we are adding the jeera powder and dhania powder. Very less only I'm adding all that masalas. Next thing I want to tell you, always use very less chili powder. Otherwise the color it won't come like regular dish like that only it will. So less chili powder. Now mix it well. Close the lid and keep it for the 10 minutes. Now see this one. Now I am going to add the cauliflower. You know why I used to grate the cauliflower and all, before that my children, you see the cauliflower, they don't want to eat. So like this means they don't know what sabji is this one. So they used to eat nicely. That is my intention, okay? They don't want to tell which sabji. Then I said one sabji is there, you can eat. That's all. See, you can't even make it this one. Whether this is a fried rice or one mutter and see. You can add the more mutter also. This time I did a mistake actually. I should have done more mutter. So very easy this with the chapati, with the fulka. Even though I eat like that only, some sabji I want to eat means like this only I will eat. Mutter also good and cauliflower. Finish. See, I already cooked this one. Now I am adding the cashew paste actually. This is actually 12. Now I'm adding little bit only, not much. See. And finally, garam masala, half teaspoon. Yes. Next is this is a coriander, kottamalli. I will always, I don't like to cut like this only, how my mother used to make it like this. Mix it well. Yeah, your sabji is ready now. Little bit you want, you can close it lid and keep it over 2 seconds, not even more than that. Finish, ready. Really very tasty. I don't want to tell you that whether I make this sabji very tasty and all. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy every single moment. That's it. You want to watch my full video, you have to go to my YouTube channel. That's it, yeah.